Hey everyone, I'm back with another project share. I've got a cute little tag that I made, at least I think it's cute. I'm going to show you what I used to make it, and then I will show you my project. So I used this Dianna Marcum accessory stamp. This is actually one that was offered separate from the club kits or the monthly club kit. And it has the apron, little oven mitt, pot holder, the little teaspoons. I love the teaspoons. I used this on another product already. And then the rolling pin, the whisk, and then the mixer or the egg beaters. So I use this stamp as basically the base for my tag. I have a couple of papers that I used from the Doodlebug collection called Made with Love. So I used a piece of paper out of this collection for 6x6. It's actually this one right here. It's got the little flowers on it. And I also use, this is some foiled cardstock from Tim Holtz. And this polka dotted paper, which is a Petite Prince 11 dot stripe. So this comes in a separate 12x12 pack, and it's got a bunch of different colors. So it's got the dots on one side and then the stripes on the other. And I've used this Hero Art stamp. It is called, oh, it just has a number, MH0522C. It's all kind of cooking, baking sort of related. This little cookie sheet die from the Frantic Stamper. This is the cookie sheet. Didn't use the cookies. And then this die here from Paper Tray Ink, and it's called Mix Ups Pocket Tags die. Now there's more than one die. I actually used this one right here, and you can see it has this little die line right here as well, so you can actually place it along this little edge here and cut a second piece that makes a pocket. So I use that die. And then I've also used my Copic markers to add some shading to the image that I colored up, which was the apron and the oven mitt. So these are the colors I used. These are Copics. And then I used my Posca pen in a very fine tip. This is a really nice, it's right here. Here's the number on it. So I bought this in a 3-pack because they had 3 different sizes, and I wanted to try each one out. So this is the one I used. And I used some Nouveau crystal drops, and this is the color Gloss Red Berry. And these 2 little stamps. This is on the back of my tag, and this is also on the back. So this is a Stampin' Up one, and this one's from Impression Obsession. And this is a Lindsay Ostrom stamp. Okay, and so let me show you my tag. Oh, and I did use some other things. There is some, here is, actually this is not what I used. I used this twine, which I think I got it off of somebody who sent me a package at one point. I just keep everything in a bowl, so if I want to use it. I've also got a button here at the top of the tag. But here's my colored apron. You can see the Nouveau drops on the little polka dots that she has drawn in the illustration. And the Copic markers were used for shading the folds, so that the apron doesn't just look like a flat image. I think it's important to add the shading for the folds in there. And when you do it, it really does give it a 3D effect. And this is popped up on the base of the tag. And then I added the little cookie sheet in there. This will hold a gift card, by the way. So I do have a gift card right here. This little cookie sheet that I added is holding some money. And you can see I added the little oven mitt to kind of hold the money in there when it's down inside the little pocket. So that's where the oven mitt is kind of hiding. And it also has the same, what do they call it? Gloss drops on here from Nouveau. And I did use my Posca pen again to color in some of the, I kind of look at it as rickrack. That's kind of how I saw it in the image. And then I did add more shading to the oven mitt as well. that I think that it kind of carries along with the apron. So these are the two pieces, and like I said, this will also fit a gift card. I'll put one in there so you can see how far down it goes, but you can see it doesn't cover the stamped sentiment on the tag. And then I'll show you the back as well. So yeah, it holds a standard size gift card, and on the back I've just stamped that to and from, and then there's my little made by. Yeah, this is something that I think if you tie it to, you know, a gift, you can do that, and maybe give a two-part gift, some cash or a gift card to somebody who is like one of those people who loves working in the kitchen, or just needs, you know, maybe it's a housewarming or something like that. You know, I thought this could be a great way of gifting some money or a gift card, along with a gift, maybe a hand-baked gift or something like that. And I just love the sentiment here. So this is the apron stamp. I love the apron stamp, as well as the oven mitt included in this little project. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.